your focus, because autofocus sucks.
Where
It's
is
right
he?
here. Hold on. I'm going to try to chase him around a little bit. Ready?
It's a baby bird.
Hey, baby.
It's a baby. It's
Don't be
flightless.
afraid. It's okay. No, little waddle baby, come back. Little waddle baby.
Hello.
He can't fly, though. What are we going to do?
Keep Tuxedo inside. That's what we're going to do.
What if he never learns?
He'll learn. He's a bird.
We're really bad at this bird. Maybe he can't fly because his wings are wet.
Maybe.
I don't know. It's kind of weird for a bird to have wet wings. Because, you know, the wings typically don't do that. You're so cute. I like just... Will you hurt me?
You shouldn't.
Oh, he's so scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. Poor baby bird.
You're so tiny. You're so tiny, bird.
Oh, he's friendly. Well, not really, but...
He's a scared bird.
Boop. He's just like, get me out of here. He's kind of big for a baby, though. You know, in terms of not being able to fly.
He's still a baby.
Yeah, but...
I mean, he should be able to fly soon, but he's still a baby.
Oh, Mama's here. We gotta show her the baby bird. Wave around.
Tiny little baby bird.
He's so cute. Mama, check it out. There's a baby bird. What? There's a baby bird. Come here. He doesn't know what to do with himself. Where is it? He's right here.
Right here.
Oh, he'll be all right.
Watch this. He doesn't.
As long as you leave the cat in. If the cat sees him, he'll kill him.
Look, he doesn't bite.
We're well aware that the cat will kill him.
See? Boop. He doesn't do anything.
He's probably going to... Well, because of the rain, he can't fly.
But he's just... But the other birds can fly.
But they're bigger.
Yes, but
He's tiny.
the baby bird.
Oh, no, I didn't know that, little bird.
Where's your nest, bird?
I said I know he must have he could have fallen out of the nest, but I would think he had died. I think he just plain can't fly. He's probably waiting for Mommy to come back and help him.
Oh, no. Your mommy left you.
Your Mommy's an airhead, but okay. Birds are like that.
I want to pick them
That's
up,
why they call
but
bird
I don't
brains.
want to be bitten, so...
Nah, leave him alone. Just make sure the cat's... There's that car that keeps stopping in our driveway. Who is that?
I don't know.
I've seen.
It's got a yellow tag. It's from Pennsylvania.
I've seen him drive. Turn around and go back down that way too sometimes.
He was in our driveway this morning.
I wonder if he'll let me touch him.
Maybe he's looking for somebody because he's been in Deaver's driveway. He's been in our driveway. It's like, who in the heck are you? You got a yellow tag, which
He's a
means you're
sweet
Pennsylvania.
baby.
I know
He
the
doesn't
tags.
hate anybody.
Well, some of them.
Oh, I can pet the baby bird.
Oh, you want to pet the baby bird?
They say if you pet them, the mommies won't touch them.
No, that's a myth.
Also, this bird's way too big for that. Like,
Well, he's probably on his own now. Once they start to fly, mommies leave.
What's the matter with him? He's just down there then.
he can't really fly very good.
He probably could if it wasn't raining, but it's raining, so he can't
It's
fly.
raining, he probably can't do it.
Poor
His
little,
feathers are all wet.
poor little soggy
Birds
feathers.
know to stay up in the trees when they're wet. But he's probably too little to know that. And that might be Mommy ticked off now. She might attack us in a minute.
Well, probably should back up.
Because here,
Yeah, I hear it.
that's Mommy.
Are you sure?
No, that is.
How
Yeah,
can you
I'm pretty
tell?
certain.
Because she's angry. You hear that? That's an angry bird.
She's trying to ward us off.
Get away
She doesn't
from
know
my
what
baby.
to do because we're big and a group.
We're giants.
Yeah, oh.
I mean, she knows she can come down, but there's nothing. She's trying to protect it as best as she knows how. Now, if that was a bigger bird, watch out. Because hawks are known to come down and attack you. If you have a baby hawk.
If it was a baby eagle,
Oh, Lord help you. A baby eagle.
because we got eagles around here. Ah! The eagle around here is ginormous. He's huge. He's like half my height.
They're big. Very big.
We have to win later.
Even the vultures aren't as big as the eagle is, and the vultures
Yeah,
we got are
let's go inside and let Mommy
ginormous.
have a
Yeah, let
baby. Just
Mommy,
make sure
yeah.
the cat does not get out
My
and
baby,
roll
I
that
did
bird.
that.
Your tuxedo's in your room, right?
Yeah, he was.
The only problem is I don't know if White Sox is out or not.
I don't think White Sox eats baby birds.